performance in the yoga.
Continue, ma'am. Continue.
Okay. So actually the sport or play is the part and parcel of each and everybody. I think everybody must have played the some or the other sports in the childhood, or some may be playing just now also, the especially the young people, they must be playing, the those who are aged, they must also have played, because it is the part and parcel of life. Nobody can say that I never played. Nobody can say. Is there anybody? I don't think anybody is there. So everybody has played. Now the sports activity, they have come on professional level all over the world. Many clubs are there, associations are there, schools, colleges, everywhere the sports activities are going on, even not necessarily that they are only organized, but we गली क्रिकेट तो कितना अपना ये है, पॉपुलर है अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, तो अपने अपने गली में ये बच्चे लोग खेलते हैं, बच्चों के साथ बड़े लोग भी खेलने लगे हैं, खेलते ही है। तो whatever it is, we must improve our performance. Everybody likes to have good performance of our own. So let us see how we can improve our performance through yoga. So first thing is that why these sports are there, why these different types of sports are there. So what is the purpose? Actually, the purpose of these sports is right from beginning. Beginning means what? Right from Brahma. I will tell you the little story, very little story. In Upanishad, in Prashnopanishad, six disciples are there, and they come to Pippalad Muni to know about the philosophy of the life. So one of the disciples asks, Swamiji, Guruji, why this world is created? Why this world is created and how? So when the world was, before creation of the world, only Brahma was there in this whole universe. Nobody was there. Nobody was. So he got bored. He got bored. And so what he did, he produced one couple. Huh? And Pran and Rai. The name of the couple was Pran and Rai. So he used to एकोहम बहुश्याम, एकोहम, मैं अकेला हूँ और मुझे बहुत लोग चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? Because he got bored. He got bored. There is nobody to talk, nobody to have interaction, nothing was there. So naturally, we too, when we are alone, we get bored. Or sometimes we may go into depression, mental disorders. So he created, with Pran and Rai, he created this whole huge universe. So everything is there, and he started playing with all those creation, all that creation. So microscopic creatures to the best creation is the human being. And he started playing with his own creation, which includes each and everything. Now I will share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. It is going on sharing.
The different status of these sports or the different types of plays before us. So everybody is trying to have the best performance. Everybody needs to have best performance. And now being in this plays or sports have come on professional level. So everybody wants to improve on it, everybody, and you are getting the benefits of all these sports activity. You are getting the name, you are getting the fame, you are getting the money, so many, and you are entertaining the people all over. All of you must be knowing during cricket match or when the world events of football, rugby, or this lawn tennis, and the stadium is full of people. It is full of people. They also enjoy. They also enjoy. It is also the part of entertainment. If you see the previous structures anywhere in the world, there used to be a stadium for the sports. Different types of sports were there right from so many thousands of years, and the kings and kingdom used to support them, sponsor them. So let us see the what are the why sports and why this question is there. So I already answered that this sports activity plays are the important aspect of each and everybody. It is the natural instinct. ये जन्म से ही हमें ये इंस्टिंक्ट रहता है कि वी मस्ट प्ले. Maybe so all the instincts of, it is natural instinct of all animals, so also the human being. You must have seen the cats, puppies, and their young ones playing with their mother. Mother watch them. They play with each other. They will play with something ball or something. So it is the training for the life. They play with the ball. The dogs play very well with the ball. They bring the ball. They will give it to their master. So it is a game. This game is the life for them that shapes the life. Suppose the cat is playing with the ball, small ball. So that playing skills will be useful to catch their prey in the future, right? So it is essential activity in all livings for planning, building, and shaping their lives. So whatever essentials in the life, they should get it independently with their on their own. उदरेदात्मन आत्मा. तो अपने आप को स्वयं पूर्ण होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए the sports are also very essential in each and every living being. It's crucial part of human growth and development, especially the school children and youth. The only physical building is not the purpose of any game. It has got multiple aims in the life. Multiple goals are there and multiple achievements are there. And especially in the growing children and youth. We all these in the games, hardly anybody goes beyond 50. Uh, but still, they keep on playing even after retiring from the regular games, professional games. They keep on, they are in coaching, guiding the students, sportsmen, and all. So, sports and game activities explore the physical abilities, skills, intellect, confidence, and developing their personalities. You will see, if you see the personality of the sportsman, it differs from who is not playing regularly. So it differs. It has got a robust personality, active personality. From his body only, you can recognize the what he can be. Hmm? So these are the many benefits of the games are there. So these games or sports activity, they improve the physical health and mental health. Your mind is constantly busy. Your physique, your muscles, your joints, Your height is also the part of your good personality. So your physique also develops very well, height wise, weight wise, and then you are healthy also, and mental health. As you remain busy with the games, and and there is always interaction is there with the other players also, so your socialization also improves, empowered with the life skills like better understanding of any situation, cognitive aspect of the life is it improves, means good interaction, understanding the others, understanding and knowing the situation, getting along with the people, socialization is there, learning proper interaction with all, and decision making skills. Sports are very essential part of your decision taking abilities, because in sports you have to take the decisions very instantly on the spot only. In a moment you have to decide. So these skills also are essential in the future of the life. Learning time management and discipline. Constructive use of time and discipline to observe the commitments. Time is very important, every fraction of second, every moment is very important to have the winning. So you have to be, your body has to be active, your mind has to be alert. I know one player, our Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. His reflexes were and decision taking were amazing. बहुत इंस्टेंटली डिसीजन होता था. आई रिमेम्बर क्रिकेट में फील्डिंग उनका तो बहुत अच्छा था, यानी विकेट कीपिंग. तो एक बार लास्ट बॉल वाज देयर and one run was there and one player was there. So by hook or crook, our Indian team has to win that match. So the player was just a few inches from the crease line. Hmm? And the ball was just in his hand, Dhoni's hand. He did not turn even, because turning would have taken the time, few moments. But with the accurately, he threw the ball to the stump, and stump was down before the that player has come in the crease, and we won the match. So he is always supposed to be winner. Winning moments were contributed to him many a times. Build up leadership and team spirit to showcase the talent, teamwork power, to obey the rules, to cultivate the team spirit. Team spirit is very important. कोई एक भी रूठ गया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. इफ ही डजंट प्ले एट द क्रूशियल टाइम, then the problem is there. So Dhoni was, I find that he was also a good team leader. He was good captain, taking them, taking all along. And I don't think that he had any fight with anybody. At least as I know, there may be. Now, what are the other things you imbibe in? Acceptance of winning and losing. This is very important part of this, not only the sports, but in the life. Many difficult situations, losing situations, they come. But once you are inculcated with those habits, then it is very easy to make them over. It's part and parcel of any game. Game is about the fair play, believing in equality and justice. So you should be confident that I have played well, but you can't decide team will win, or if it is solo games, or you will win. Not necessarily that always. There is some one thing will be there. Either you lose or you win. Believing equality and justice. Accept the defeat in positive way and opportunities to introspect and improve on. When you get defeated or you lose the game, it must be due to some lacunae in your performance. So you have to introspect yourself. What were the shortcomings in my game? Where was I wrong? That you have to introspect. And that attitude has to be there with each player. And introspect and improve on the whatever mistakes you have done, you have to improve them. You have to correct your play, correct your moves, whatever it is. Then boosting the self confidence. Winning game, hitting six, goal, completing race, appraisal from the spectators, coach, teammates. All these boost your confidence. The stadium is full of people. Thousands of people are there. And they always support you with the clapping and hooting and many things. So many times this brings the pressure on the player. If the people are cheering me, I have to be good. So that the pressure of the spectators is also there. Then your name and fame also brings the pressure on you, no doubt. So it is not that all the time you will win. You may lose, but winning of the game also takes you to the tension and stress. Hitting the six, you get lot many things if you do perform very well. Then again, next is achieving the attributes for life. So through the game, your focusing power increases. So also in your daily life also. Patience, right confidence. Your confidence, you should not be overconfident. You should be confident, rightly confident, and not the overconfident. If you are overconfident, you are missing something. Never say die attitude. You have to keep on trying and trying and trying. One defeat, with one defeat, you should not lose the courage. One should be, yes, I will try it again, again and again. You have to practice again and again. Generosity, control on ego. This is very important. With one win, two wins, the player may have the ego. And if ego is there, all of you know, darwaze ghar khali. That ego should not come. Ego is the worst obstacle in our life. So never go into the egoism. The fun and entertainment, love for all the ages. So whoever is playing the games, whether it is a competition or not, it's a fun for everybody. If you play in the gully, it is a fun for you. Entertainment for all and love for all ages. Sports games are integral part of education all over the world. It is also the part. Every school has got their grounds, sports activity, different types of sports activities are there. Coaches are also there to teach the game, and that is also their pride to have good teams in their school or college. So many institute they sponsor the games also. What are the games played? Individual and team games are there, organized, unorganized are there, indoor and outdoor games are there. There are different types of, just for example, I have given the list here. Individual game, tennis, badminton, wrestling, gymnastics, swimming. All of you knowing the recent event of one Olympiad winner, gone in a wrong way and now he is in jail. So these attitudes should not be there. Team cricket, volleyball, football, kho etc. Organized and unorganized. Organized institutional schools, clubs, associations. Unorganized are gully games like cricket, kho individual games. Previously, we used to play on the road itself. Now that chance is not a lot of traffic is there. There is no place, so you have to go on the grounds only. Indoor and outdoor chess, snooker, carom. These are the indoor games and outdoor many volleyball, running, and etc. Now, what are the requirements for the player to be the winner? Every player wants to win. Every team wants to win. But you must have some attributes with you and some requirements. Have the audit of your own physio-psychological setup regarding the game. Which game you would like. Many have no inclination to play only. Just thoda idhar udhar karenge, that's all. But there is no inclination. So you have to think whether I want to play, whether my physique is fit to play that particular game, or you can opt for the other games also. And your psychological setup, physical setup and psychological setup. If you have any illness, then you can't perform well. Some chronic illnesses are there, like heart problem can be there from childhood only, or asthmatic problem can be there from childhood. So that person can't play well in the teams. He can play in the gully and all, he can do that, but not in the organized games. Choose your game as per choice and judge your physique and your strength and your weaknesses. You must be able to audit your strong points and weak points so that for which game you are fit. And it is the coach also, they also decide, they also can judge what you can play. Set your goal, guidance of the coach. Condition your physique and mind accordingly. So according to the requirement of that game, you have to develop yourself accordingly. So you have to build your physique, you have to increase your stamina, you have to have good strength of the muscles and the determined mind. Determination of the mind is also required. Continuous and regular practice and practice. Satu Dirgha Kala. In anywhere, this Patanjali Sutra I like very much. You apply it anywhere, otherwise you won't be successful. सातत्य पाहिजे. सतु दीर्घकाल एक करना चाहिए. एक दिन में, 4 दिन में, महीने में नहीं होता है. So all the time you have to focus on the game. You have to practice that game all the time. Build the confidence, its tenacity to execute new skills. So you have to have confidence. You can have experiments when you are not in the actively in the game or competition. So you have to adopt the new skills so that the games also keep on changing their pattern. Now, all of you know, पहले तो खाली कसौटी क्रिकेट ही खेली जाती थी, टेस्ट क्रिकेट ही खेली जाती थी. बाद में 5-5 दिन कौन देखेगा, एक हफ्ता चलता था, और it is so slow. Now then came the international one-day cricket match. 3-3 घंटे का एक दिन को, 3.5 घंटा एक दिन को. So in one day the game is khatam, result is there, win or lose. Somebody is losing, somebody is winning. Now after that again faster game has come, that is 2020 T20. So 20 over game is there. So it has changed with the time, it is changing and changing. And same thing is in other fields also, like football, there may be any change, or hockey, or indoor games. There are changes are taking place. So you have to adjust with that change. Proper preparation during season and maintaining it in off season. So now today, the now after some time, or it may be badminton, this tennis season is there in England, right? They keep on Grand Slam season is there. So you have to, but when off time is there, 1 month nothing is there. So you should not relax just. You have to be in the practice all the time. Even in cricket, whatever game is there, you have to. If you are running marathon, you have to practice daily. Then watching other skills, adopting to new techniques, discussion and advice with the coach. Now, now what are the requirements for the best player? Flexibility and strength of joints and muscles, very essential part. You know, all of you. The strength has to be there in the muscles of all joints, back and all. Agility, quick movements, they are required. Endurance means muscular and cardiorespiratory endurance is also required. You are playing for hours together, or maybe the game like football is very fast, very fast. So you have to have that power to hold and to be on the ground. Reflex actions, quick and perfect. This more quick or fast the game, you have to have your reflex actions very quick. Concentration, decision powers, sporty attitude, minimal injury and fast recovery. During game, you have to, you must watch your movements that you will not have any injury. But it happens to get aligned with the teammates. Very, very essential part of the